Ever stared at a GCP console at 2 a.m., wondering why your Dataflow pipeline is backfilling instead of auto scaling? You're not alone. Our pack fixes broken ETL workflows with BigQuery clustering strategies, PubSub dead letter queue resilience, Cloud Functions concurrency tuning, and Dataflow's stateful processing patterns. Whether you're a data engineer battling Snowflake to GCP migrations, a machine learning engineer drowning in batch prediction latency, or an architect designing hybrid streaming architectures, this is your toolkit. We'll turn your "why isn't this scaling" into "look at this dashboard porn." Here's what's inside the GCP Data Platform-Pack. Start with real time ingestion using PubSub schema validation and message filtering. Progress to data flow templates with dynamic windowing and custom sync connectors. Master BigQuery's remote functions for Python UDF offloading. Build serverless orchestration with Cloud Functions second gen cold start mitigation. Capstone. Deploy a predictive maintenance pipeline with Vertex AI integration. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your cloud skills just got a GPA boost. Installing the GCP Data Platform Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add gcp-data-platform-pack. That's it. You'll download 12 battle tested modules, including our infamous PubSub to BigQuery latency optimization framework and Dataflow's side input caching cookbook. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to configure Dataflow's shuffle service for high throughput joins, debug Cloud Function timeouts during peak load, and architect multi region PubSub failover. Just don't blame us when your SRE team asks why your on call schedule suddenly got boring.